Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a new version of Firefox. Firefox is now, today, January 7th, 2020, at version 72. It has very few new features. If you want to know more, you can check out my Windows and Computer channel where I take a bigger look. Here, it's more to mention that there is an update and to mention that it has many security fixes. There are several critical flaws, or what they call high importance flaws. That means that this could be exploited by bad guys. So make sure that you update to the latest version. And there's also a lot of important flaws that have been discovered. So if, it's not for anything else, having a up-to-date browser is important to stay safe on the internet. Don't forget about that. And it is a must to stay safe, to have the latest versions of browsers in general. There's a lot of updates that are actually fixing every time some of the critical flaws that they discover. And every version, these are made by humans. So they have, of course, security flaws. So how do you check if you have the latest version of Firefox browser? Simply check Firefox, click on the Firefox icon. Technically, it should actually update by itself. That's how it works usually. But if you're not sure, if you want to make sure that you are safe, simply go to the hamburger menu on the upper right corner of the browser, the three horizontal lines. Go into Help, go into About Firefox, and if you're not at 72, what it's going to do, it's going to actually update it to 72 for you. So check it out, Firefox 72, mostly with enhanced tracking protection fixes and changes, but really nothing much in terms of changes visually. You won't see really nothing special. So Firefox 72 released today, Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.